up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the sparkle filter on TikTok. So once you are in the TikTok camera screen, here you can see this effect button on the left side. Tap that. Now they have different category. Select filter. Okay, here's scroll. Okay, and this is the sparkle filter. Tap here. I don't know why they give this glasses, but this is a sparkle filter. Okay, let me switch the cam. Okay, as you can see, so this is it guys. Likewise, you can go to this filter category and you can get this sparkle filter in TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.